Since 2022, new premium Garmin watches does have a tactile screen. This feature might be convenient some time, but some other time less convenient. So here is 3 ways to manage your tactile screen on your Garmin watch. Because it's the same thing on any Garmin watch, I will make the video with the Garmin Epix just because the screen does look better. So the first way to manage the screen, the tactile screen, will be to, at any point, anywhere you are on the watch into an activity or a menu or whatever, you press and hold the control, the light button that will take you to the control. From here, you will see here you have many features, but one of them is the tactile just right here. So actually, as you can see, it's enabled because I can move this way. Oops. And if I want to disable it, I just have to press on it and it will be disabled. Of course, I will not be able to re-enable it with my finger because I've just disabled it. So you can navigate just like that up to touch and re-enable it with the start-stop button. So that was the first one, to quick enable and disable it from anywhere. The other one is the default one. So there is 3 states in the watch and you can enable it by default or disable it by default. To do so, you will press and hold the menu button to reach the menu and press the up button just around 1 time to reach system at the very bottom of the page. Select it with start stop and go down to touch. From here, you will see the 3 states. So general use, which is just like right now, I'm into the menu. This is general use. Or when you're on the main page or those kind of thing, this is general use. You got during an activity. So during an activity and during sleep. So when you sleep. You can enable or disable it on any of those states and it will be just like that by default. And it's not because it is off by default into an activity that you can't turn it on by going into that menu and re-enable it. There is another one that I like a lot and it's the shortcut. This is something I have created and you can do it also. So actually you see it's enable and if I want to disable it, I just have to press and hold those 2 buttons and now it's disabled. Doesn't work anymore. And if I want to re-enable it, I just press those 2 buttons again and it works again. If you want to do it, you're going to press and hold the menu button, press the up button 1 time, go into system and go down to hotkeys. This one. Select it and well, you choose where you want to set it. Actually, I choose to have those 2 buttons. This one is the very last option. So back plus up, as you can see, it does touch. So when you select it, you have many options. I just choose to have touch, this one just right here, and I can now enable and disable it very quickly. And when you're done, you can press the back button to come back to the main page. So that was pretty much it.
So, this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please smash the like button. If you are planning to buy this watch, you can see my link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can find me back easily next time you need help. If you want to see my other tutorial about this watch, you can see my playlist just right here. And you can also find me on my main channel just right there. Thank you for watching. Take care and see ya.